Hey! Are you and your team looking to bring more innovation and creativity into your everyday work? I'm Echo from Hyper Island, and I'm here to invite you on a journey that will change the way you see innovation. It's a new mindset that will help you bring creative ideas to the table. You see, at Hyper Island, we believe that everyone has the potential to make a real impact. So let me introduce you to the Spark Innovation Program. It's a 6-week journey where we will help you unleash your creative potential and become a driver of innovation. It doesn't matter what your background is or what your role is at work. When we say innovation is for everyone, we really mean everyone. This experience will be 100% virtual. Throughout this program, you will be guided through a process where you'll think differently. You'll look at problems from different angles, and you'll become more customer-centric. You will get access to templates, tools, processes, frameworks that will really help you look at things from different angles. This is a powerful creative process to bring new energy and ideas to what you already do. The team at Hyper Island will be supporting and guiding you in this process. Together, we will explore experiments, solutions, and new ideas that will bring real impacts. We are really looking forward to welcoming you to the Spark community. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Sign up today and get ready to spark innovation.